loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited for hitting 1 million views that I decided to give you guys not one but two different videos. And so if you guys haven't seen the first video, make sure to go ahead and check that out after this one. But yes, this is a human hair video, and so you guys know I usually give you guys human hair videos on Thursday, but you guys got a synthetic unit that happens to be a braids unit, which I absolutely love. And then you have this human hair unit right here that is courtesy of West Kiss Hair. They were kind enough to send your girl this gorgeous unit, y'all. So I thought I would give you guys all the slayage today because yeah, I'm feeling myself. If you guys didn't notice, like, your girl looks sun-kissed, don't she? Ready for summer, ready for some heat, ready for it all, okay? Ready for someone's beach? What you guys think? Like, okay, obviously I'm feeling myself. But not only that, you guys, I really am super excited to hit 1 million views, over 1 million views at this point, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. I'm just so humble, so grateful. And the crazy part about it is I received that news on a Wednesday, and on Thursday I received some other exciting news that unfortunately but fortunately might take me away from YouTube for a little bit. And so I'm gonna try to figure out how to man my schedule, but right now it's going to require me to do some serious juggling, and so I'm still going to try to do that because y'all, I think I'm booked until June. So yeah, I got to get this stuff out, but I don't know what that looks like just yet. So I'm going to try to keep my normal schedule of Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now if you see a video come out on a different day, don't mind that. I'm trying to get the video out because I will have to step back a little bit, but I'm definitely going to give you guys a whole video catered to what's going on. But just know it's some really exciting and amazing things, and that God has truly blessed me. He has favored me, and I really want to share with you guys my story, my testimony, because I feel like it can definitely help somebody, and I'm just so grateful. If you guys cannot tell, that is the glow that you see, not just because this hair, but because I'm really truly honored and so grateful. And today I signed my name on the dotted line for just a really amazing change, and I just can't wait to share that with you guys. So now let's jump into this hair. Okay guys, so like I already told you, this hair is courtesy of West Kiss Hair. So they were kind enough to send your girl their deep wave lace front wig in 20 inches and 200% density. Like, y'all don't even know that it's 200% density yet, because this is just me washing the unit after I bleached the knots, and I just let it air dry. And I could have put water on it, but I really wanted to show you guys what it looks like, because this is how I tend to wear hair anyway. I like the volume. I don't like the wet look. Like, I don't think I'm a huge fan of the wet look. I kind of just like this look right here. And so I would definitely wanted to come on camera and show you guys this look first. Now I will brush this hair out and see what 200% density looks like. You know, we can see what it looks like together, and then I will also show you guys what it looks like wet. So basically you should have 3 different styles you can go for. If you want to go for this look where it's just like wash and let it air dry, or you want to go for the humongous look, which I can only imagine is probably going to be huge, or for the wet looks. So you guys will definitely have your pick at whatever you like best. So below you can find the link, as well as I believe there's some coupon codes down below, so make sure you definitely go ahead and check that out. So my personal thoughts about this hair is absolutely gorgeous, as you guys already know. I absolutely love the fact that it came pre-plucked. That is something that is a plus to me. I did not have to pluck this unit, which is amazing. I also did not have to cut any baby hair. These are the baby hairs that came with the unit. What you guys will see is that I show you what it looks like before I did the baby hairs, and I actually show you guys the whole process of me constructing these baby hairs, because I've heard your requests, because I know people wanted to know how I did my baby hairs, and so this was a perfect video to just kind of show you guys what I use. I honestly just use the foaming wrap lotion, which is this right here. I believe you can use any kind of lotion, mousse or whatever, and then I actually use a mascara wand. So this is a mascara, old mascara wand, and I use this. I don't remember who gave me the idea, but yeah, they gave me the idea, and that's what I've been using over using a brush. And so that's how I got these natural things right here. And so besides that, I don't really feel like I need a part. I like this kind of throw over look, and I feel like it's just giving me all the slay that I need. So yeah, I didn't put any part, but literally you can part it anywhere you want. You can part it in the middle, you can part it in the side, like wherever you want to part it. If you want to do a ponytail, you can do that as well. So as I wear the hair a little longer, you know, I'll definitely play with it. What else can I tell you guys? Something that I was not too thrilled about, y'all, is that I do believe that it sheds a little bit. So every time I run my hands through it, I kind of get some strands of hair. if you guys can see that. So that was like one. But yeah, as I was looking in the mirror and I was making sure, you know, my baby hairs and everything were, you know, on point, I would kind of run my hands through, and I noticed that some hair would just kind of come out. Now, I don't know if that's because I bleached the knots. But yeah, it does happen. Now, it's not excessive. It's just I noticed, like right now, I've got like 2 strands. So those are 2 strands. So just so you guys know that, you know, it is a possibility. So you guys don't, you know, go out and get the hair and be like, oh, you didn't say that it sheds or whatever. It's a possibility it does, you know, may or may not. And just letting you guys know that. Does that make me not want to wear this wig? Absolutely not. Like, you see my face, like, I love this unit. So yeah, I think that was pretty much everything that I want to tell you guys about this unit. I did it a little different. Usually with my human hair units, I'll just get straight to the point of the video. But this one, I wanted to talk to you guys very quickly before I jump into the video. And so I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.